Morning.
Today, it's all about the Beara Peninsula.
We're looking forward to taking you along for the ride as we drive part of this 198-kilometre loop.
The Ring of Beara is not far from the Ring of Kerry and all of that area. It borders County Cork and County Kerry. So come with us as we explore.
We're starting off this morning in Glengarriff woodlands.
Such a beautiful walk, running past Babbling Brook the whole way on this little walk. It's only about 500 metres long. Loving this as our first stop. Cool waterfall.
It is nice, isn't it? There's something refreshing about running water, isn't there?
Yeah. If you keep following the path back up, there is a longer walk that this short walk is a part of. We can't pronounce it. I'll put the name up on the screen. Essa is Irish for waterfall. Car park near the entrance to this 500-metre walk. Probably fit a couple of cars. There's a picnic bench. I'm going to take a longer track, head up this way. And that's heading away from the waterfall. We just had some vegetable soup at the Peir Inn.
Quite nice too.
Check out those row of little accommodation. How colourful are they? If you're looking for a quick bite in Glengarriff, there's some food. Can I get a coffee?
Yeah, I was going to say, do you want a coffee?
Hello, can I please have a latte? Love your latte art, well done.
That's a big rock.
It is. It's part of the Glengarriff Community Garden. When other YouTubers say on like the Ring of Beara that you would be stopping every 5 minutes for spectacular views, they are not lying. This is probably the third one that we've driven past that we decided to stop at because it was just so stunning. And the road just keeps going on and on. This is a spectacular Bantry Bay. Check out those mountains behind it.
Looks like every bay in the Ring of Beara has a village.
It's pretty cool.
Nestled into the corners, it's lovely.
Got odd little stops, got 2 picnic tables, so there's plenty of places to have picnics on the Ring of Beara. This is the Healy Pass, narrow bit of road that cuts through part of the Beara Peninsula. And hopefully we're going to get to a decent vantage point. And who knows, we may get the drone up.
This way. There's water.
Ooh.
Switchbacks now.
Yep.
Bit of a driver's road, this one.
This is at the high point on the Healy Pass. We're at Don's Mountain Cabin and the Healy Cross, which I'll go up and get a shot of. It's also a great spot to get an overview of the road. The Healy Pass was built during the famine times in the year of 1847 to help prevent starvation. The pass is named after Timothy Michael Healy, who was born in County Cork. He was a politician and the first Governor-General of Ireland, and was well aware of the need of proper roads between Kerry side and the Cork side of the Beara Peninsula. At the top of the Healy Pass, where Cork meets Kerry, funeral processions stopped, and at this point pushing the coffin over the border, waiting for people then to take the coffin to the opposite county. This place is now called Flat Rock. So this was erected by an anonymous donor in 1935. Absolutely magical.
Join us in next week's video when Phil takes on the Healy Pass as a hill descent and gets back in touch with his racing days of youth.
Landing.
Oh, wow. This is coming down the other side of Healy Pass. More stunningness and more windy roads.
Great fun to drive.
Phil just needs a car with power.
Could really let rip here. Look at that lake down there.
Taking him back to his hill climb days.
Look at that valley. Stop where they gotta go, we're gonna catch them.
We would love to hear from you in the comments, so let us know what you're thinking about our adventure in the Beara Peninsula, or what we missed if you've visited.
Sheep on the road on the Beara Peninsula.
Look at the baby lamb.
Where? Oh wow. Come on off the road.
Oh, we got our first mob of sheep on the road, that was good. Another good drive, huh?
This video footage does not show the steepness of that mountain range. Oh, a dog on the road.
That dog. Beautiful blue water. It's a magic little spot, the Beara Peninsula, isn't it?
It is. Well worth it being put on an Irish itinerary, I reckon.
975.
We made a quick stop in Allihies for a bit of afternoon tea. Unfortunately, the mic had a hissy fit. It was a lovely destination, and I've got to say, we both really enjoyed our food.
How cool is that countryside? The Allihies Copper Museum, part of the old Allihies Church of Ireland. And then that's also where the cafe is at Allihies. This is the outsider of the Church of Ireland in Allihies. The leave up this path is a mass rock. Now a mass rock, back in the day after Cromwell and Catholic mass was banned in Ireland, they would go to secret places where the priests would hold mass. And this is one of them. This may be a path because it keeps going right up that hill. There's Phil down there. Amazing views. There's not actually any marking past the sign. Either way, this is a really desolate place to come to worship God. It was a rough ride for our drone today, but here he comes. Well done, my friend. Well done. How was that, Phil?
That was good fun. It was pretty blowy.
Got a bit of speed going there.
Yeah, I had to put him on sport mode to get him back in the wind.
Next stop is Kilcatherines Church. Kilcatherines Church is a medieval church with earliest recordings dating back to the 12th century. But somewhere in the cemetery is a cross that is even older than that. What an absolutely stunning place to worship the creator of the world.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears.
This is the cross that they say is dated earlier than the actual church.
Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing.
Sometimes the best place to get history is in a place like this, honouring those people who have gone ahead, who have lived life, done life before us, worshipped. I mean, imagine getting ready to come to church with this view.
Eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me.
Our day's nearly over on the Ring of Beara. We've got 2 more stops. We're hoping to get to the Caus, I think that's how you say it, Sea Caves. So this is the pier behind me. Let's head up this track and see what we can find. It's been an absolutely stunning day today. Phil's hated all the driving, haven't you, darling?
Oh yeah, it's so hard.
He's absolutely loved it, gone back to his car racing days and hill climb days. Oh, wow.
Oh, it's a backwards down one.
Yeah, that's what they say. We made it to the cave. At the Caus Caves. Having a lovely day on the Ring of Beara.
And we are.
Stick it on your itinerary.
Yeah.
Can't say it enough.
Yeah, excellent day.
I hope it's 2.
Yeah, we can't have a colour.
No, it's 1.
On the hill, I thought you meant the 2 on the ground.
No, that was 1 on the hill.
Yeah.
I didn't see the 2 on the ground.
We're in someone's driveway now.
This road. We're at the, I think it's called Uragh Stone Circle and a few other things, and a waterfall. So this is our last stop on the Beara Peninsula for today. We've got to go for a bit of a walk, see what we can see. Apparently stunning views up further. This one does cost €5 per person to come and visit, but you know, we're coming on a farmer's land. There's a little honesty box. We started our day with a waterfall and we're finishing our day with a waterfall. Pretty good round off for the day, really. At the stone circle we were not expecting. I told Phil he should have brought his 2 sticks with him. think I should have, but then I wouldn't have been able to film. It's a bit boggy, so I've got to stop filming.
I took the right way following this little sheepy.
We're on the approach to the stone circle. This is one of over 100 Bronze Age ritual sites in Southwest Island. This is just a little one. It consists of 5 circles, 5 stones, sorry, and one big one. Stone circles can be anything from 2 metres in diameter to, I forget what the other thing was, and can be anything from 5 to 17 stones. And I've got to say, this stone circle is in a rather lovely spot. Well, here we are at the end of our Ring of Beara loop for the day. Had a fun day?
Had a lovely day. It's been beautiful.
Racing car driver here has been fully revived.
I'll slow down.
We hope you enjoyed today and the Ring of Beara. Please subscribe. We have plenty of more island to come. We've just started the road trip, but if you're looking for more today, check down in the description below for our Dublin playlist and the beginnings of our island road trip. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye.
Check out this video to see our amazing accommodation.